Welcome back, East Texas. Another look outside with First Alert Live Doppler radar, of course, showing you quiet conditions. It was quiet all weekend, and we certainly appreciated it. We got some sunshine, some mild temperatures. Even this afternoon wasn't too bad. Winds from the south were pretty breezy, and they're still a little on the breezy side, blowing anywhere from 5 to 15 miles per hour. But that's what's helping our temperatures out right now. Remember, we were in the lower to middle 30s this point just last night, but now we're really just ranging low to mid 50s area wide. Of course, we can thank the extra mugginess for that as well, which of course is the extra juice needed for those showers and storms that are expected tomorrow, our First Alert weather day. Now, temperatures will be steadily climbing into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees, with first spotty showers and storms really not even taking place until just around sunset here in East Texas. So one of the big things that I really like to hit hard is never to confuse coverage with hype. So we don't think everyone's going to see strong to severe storms, but we want to make sure that you are prepared for what could be at least the worst case scenario. We always hope for the best, and generally along a lot of these situations kind of lands right down the middle. So a couple things that we want to do, make sure that you are prepared for this potential severe weather. Of course, you just want to have a plan. Understand the difference between a watch and a warning. A watch means that certain ingredients are in place for severe weather to happen, but a warning means that that is actively happening. You've got the severe thunderstorm or the tornado warning. So know your county name, know where you are on that map, so when that county is included in the warning, you know that you need to pay attention. Of course, know where to go when you are in a warning. Severe thunderstorm, of course, you want to stay away from windows, as those strong winds can blow things through those windows, or the trees can come through the outer walls. But the tornado especially, you want to put as many walls between you and the outside. Well, what you need to have ready, of course, you want to have the flashlight or the torch or whatever, that light source, just to be on the safe side. The power goes out, and the NOAA weather radio, if you got one, of course, the First Alert weather app. You kind of want to have more than one way of receiving weather warnings. And then the final checklist is just to make sure that those phones stay charged. For these wind events, they can knock the branches or even the trees sometimes down on the power line. So you may not have power, but you'll have your phone, you'll have the weather app, and that way you can still get that important information and have those backup batteries handy. So one final time, we're going to take a quick look at Futurecast. You know the main story, but want to show you one more time. We'd like to monitor scattered showers first half of the day. That warm front comes through. Most of the day is going to be pretty quiet. You're not going to see a lot other than the spotty showers. Then we get to around 6 to 7 p.m. We might see some early development of those isolated strong thunderstorms. This could continue ahead of the front. Again, if these develop ahead of the cold front, they'll carry the greater tornado threat. But along the main line, it's really just going to be the damaging winds and the large hail along portions of the stronger segments of the line, with the isolated quick spin-up tornado possible within that embedded line. Quickly moving through, this stuff's not going to be hanging around for long. By around midnight, of course, we're already across our easternmost zones down in deep East Texas. Take a little bit longer to clear out, but by around 2 a.m. Tuesday morning, most if not all the heavy rainfall will be out, and we're just talking spotty showers during Tuesday. This thing could really be a good soaker for East Texas, upwards of around 1/4 of an inch to localized spots seeing an inch, maybe more, which is very beneficial while we still have severe to extreme drought conditions across portions of East Texas. And we get done with this, folks. The rest of this forecast is looking pretty good. 60s to 70s for Tuesday and Wednesday. St. Patrick's Day might see some spotty showers, but better rain chances arrive later at night. So again, make sure you have those First Alert weather apps downloaded.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.